Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix blurry textures on Roblox. Here's how to fix blurry textures in Roblox. First, open your computer search bar, look for Roblox Player, right-click it, select Open File Location. Next, right-click on both the Roblox Player Beta and Player Launcher, then choose Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, check Run this program in Compatibility Mode, set to Windows 8, run this program as an administrator, disable full screen optimizations, click Change High DPI settings, check Override High DPI scaling behavior, leave it set to application, click Apply and OK. Repeat the same steps for the player launcher. After completing the settings, your Roblox texture should no longer appear blurry, giving you a crisp and clear gaming experience. For the best results, restart your computer and launch Roblox again to ensure and all changes takes effect and your graphics render perfectly. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.